Payment Intelligence Platform, PIP, is an initiative of which institution? Answer hai Reserve Bank of India, RBI. The Ministry of Panchayati Raj launched the Training of Trainers, taught program under the banner of which national initiative? Answer hai Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. What is Candida tropicalis that was recently seen in news? Answer hai fungus. The Sabka Vishwas Legacy Dispute Resolution Scheme SVLDRS was introduced in which union budget? Answer hai Union Budget 2019. The Price Support Scheme PSS is part of which umbrella scheme? Answer hai Pradhan Mantri Annadta Sanrakshan Abhiyan PM ASHA.